Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got another exciting AI tutorial that can help you tap into one of the fastest growing content niches on social media right now. Cardboard building videos are getting millions of views across different platforms. There's still a great opportunity to start before this niche becomes overcrowded. The best part is you don't need expensive software, advanced editing skills, or paid AI subscription. In this video, I'll show you how to create these videos completely free from start to finish. To make the process incredibly simple, I've created a master prompt that does most of the creative work for you. You can find the master prompt in the description. Instead of spending hours brainstorming ideas, this prompt generates them automatically. First, copy the master prompt and open ChatGPT. Paste the prompt into the chat and press enter. Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate 10 unique DIY cardboard project ideas. Take a look through the list and choose the one you like the most. If none of them stand out, simply type more and ChatGPT will instantly generate another fresh batch of ideas. For this tutorial, I'm selecting idea number 3. I simply type 3 and ChatGPT generates a detailed scene-by-scene video prompt that contains everything needed to create the final video. Before we continue, if you're enjoying this tutorial, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now copy the complete video prompt and head over to Google Flow AI. Once you're there, switch to video generation, choose the Omni Flash model, paste the prompt into the prompt box, and click generate. The rendering process takes a few minutes, and there it is. Your video is ready. As you can see, the results are incredibly realistic. The camera movements feel natural, the lighting looks professional, and the overall craftsmanship is so convincing that most viewers won't even realize it was created using AI. Here's another videos I created using the exact same workflow. Different idea, same process, and another impressive outcome. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe because I've got plenty more free AI tutorials, viral niches, and content creation tricks coming soon. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.